All right, so how's everybody doing? We made it. We finally made it. They said it wouldn't happen. Fauci said it wouldn't happen. The venue said it wouldn't happen. And then they said, well, how about 3 months from now? And it happened.
Ashley and I are basically sisters now. There are plenty of times that I can say I'm not sure what I would have done without her. We have always been in this together, through the good times and bad, but mostly really freaking good times.
It is truly a blessing for two people to find one another and to love so deeply that they embrace the bond of marriage. That is why we are here today, to witness and celebrate Ashley's and J.R.'s commitment to their union.
I, J.R., take you, Ashley, to be my wedded wife. I promise to love, cherish, and honor you in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, and forsaking all others, to be faithful and true to you as long as we both shall live.
I, Ashley, take you, J.R., to be my wedded husband. I promise to love, cherish, and honor you in sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer, for better, for worse, and forsaking all others, to be faithful and true to you as long as we both shall live.
With this ring, I be wed.
With this ring, I be wed.
It is my great pleasure and privilege to now pronounce you husband and wife. J.R., you may kiss your beautiful bride. And now, everyone, it is my pleasure to introduce for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. J.R. and Ashley Dahlberg.
Like you, hoping, praying, run away to something new. My mistakes brought me to this place. I had to fall to get to
Put your hands together for the new Mr. and Mrs. Dahlberg!
It has been quite clear that J.R. is Ashley's true soulmate.